Hello friends, welcome back to Make It by MakeupBy, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Meg. We are doing Vlogmas this month, so this is not a makeup video, but be sure to subscribe because there's plenty coming out. In today's video, I forgot to film the intro, so this is the intro. The next day, this is going to be a clean with me video. I'm just going to speed it up. And I'm going to leave the sounds in. Like, I was listening, I had headphones in while I was cleaning, so maybe it'll give some like AMSR vibes. I hope you enjoy this. In this video, I'm mainly focusing on cleaning my kitchen. It's just a lot of clutter and a lot of, I needed to like wipe down the counters and all of that. And I didn't get to it yesterday, but it's still going to be included in this video. Today, I'm going to tackle our bathroom. So, I hope you enjoy, and let's roll into the footage. Now, the overview of the kitchen is that it's not messy and dirty, it's just cluttered. So my thing is just trying to clear and get rid of some of the clutter. This is to clean the litter boxes. I have like the island pretty organized. I just need to take the objects off and wipe it down. Again, that towel is going to get washed, and it's just a lot on this part. From here to the back corner, there's just a lot of stuff. Our pantry is so small. There's hardly any storage in this house, so it's really difficult. So a lot of times the kitchen looks cluttered, and again, it's not filthy. I just really need to clean the countertop. So I just kind of need to find some homes for some things, unload the dishwasher, wipe down the counters. This area is a little bit of a mess. Ignore the patching. My husband, it was like a little bit too low. He didn't have the height quite right, and it was a little bit crooked, and we just haven't painted over the spots with our wall color paint yet. So this definitely needs help. This is supposed to be cute open shelves, and it kind of turned into like a junk shelf. So half of it's my fault, half of it's my husband's fault. This is like the Lambda medication that I've tried that does not work for me. So I need to safely dispose of that at a pharmacy. And then I have these glasses up here that we collected from different movies. When we used to have the Alamo, they went out of business by us, unfortunately, during the panini. But they used to do like specialized glasses for the movies, like collector items. And I never really loved them here. So I think I'm going to clean off the top of the fridge and move them to the top of the fridge. And you can also see that's my husband's doing. I came home from work one day and he just had those hanging up, and I'm like, really? That's like literally his decoration. He's not big into decoration or decor. That's all he has, and that's where he chose to put them. But because it's all he has, I'm not gonna nitpick it. I personally don't love it there, but he likes it there, so we'll let him have that. I mean, after all, he did let me paint the cabinets pink. So that's, you got to take what you can get. So I'm basically going to be unloading the dishwasher, reloading it, just organizing, cleaning off these counters. And without further ado, let's get started. The bathroom just needs like a basic clean. Like, I'm washing towels, so I'm going to grab that floor mat and that towel hanging there. But yeah, this just needs a basic like sink, top of sink organization and clean. Toilet needs cleaned, and these shelves are rather dusty. So just giving that a nice dusting and laundry. But yeah, nice and simple in the bathroom, thankfully. Here is the aftermath of the kitchen island, looking great. We are looking slightly less cluttered over here on the kitchen shelves. I am trying to figure out the best way to organize and decorate these shelves. So that might be another video. I want to incorporate some of my crystals into the kitchen, so I think some of them might go on this shelf. So that might be a separate video on this channel or on my other channel. I'll probably do both. I'll probably do like the properties of why the crystals are good for the kitchen on my other channel and just kind of show you organizing it and putting it together over here. So this is the solution that I came up with. These are some presents I have that I'm not putting under the tree quite yet because I still need to decorate and get it together. But this is what I have chosen for the mug rack. And on this shelf, you can see I started adding some blue kyanite in here for creativity in the kitchen. So I have my candle stuff, my husband's chapstick, his Apple Watch, and these are the mugs that did not fit on the holder, and the way that they are shaped, they didn't quite flow this way. They would flow the other way. So that can be hid in storage. As you can see in these two larger ones, I have some sunglasses in this one and just some extra charging cords in my Zero cup, and then the daily sunglasses are out and about. So we'll see. I need to put these shot glasses somewhere else and figure out what I want to do on this top shelf. If you have any suggestions, let me know down below. And here is the rest of the kitchen, nice and clean. The only thing I didn't clean was the stovetop because I cooked myself dinner last night, so I will get to that eventually, but everything is nice and fresh. But everything is nice and fresh. Now everything is nice and clean. I feel better. All I really have to do is vacuum the floors and I am good to go. I've been doing a lot of laundry as well, so sometimes you just have to take a day or two and just go ham on cleaning. At least that's what I do. That's what works best for me, but I hope you enjoyed this kind of video. Let me know what you'd like to see from me down below. As always, thank you for your time and energy. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of my Vlogmas videos, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.